Fy enw I yw Krystal ac rwy'n dawnsiwr, yn choreograffwr, yn sgwennwr ac yn gyfarwyddwr. My work, it just focuses so much on integrating access, disability access and inclusion, and finding the most innovative ways to do that. All these companies who are reaching out to communities and saying, we're not separate, we are the same and we're in this together. Not only making brilliant work on stage for people who love ballet, like Ballet Cymru, but also working with disabled children and encouraging them and uplifting them with dance and through dance, going into schools and doing work with young people who probably would have never thought that dance was for them, but they're showing them that it is. The work that Arts Council of Wales has supported me to make from a 2017 R&D grant when I was pregnant to just develop my creative choreographic practice. But since then, there's been R&Ds and Connect and Flourish grants and all these things to keep me growing and developing as an artist and connecting with other artists and arts organizations. I know it's easy for people to see art as something that's separate and, elite, but actually it is people. The arts are necessary, they're essential for well-being. And so a national debate seems necessary because I think there's not enough people recognizing that art is humanity. It's not separate, it's not elite. We are art.